Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. Shut up, I'm filming. So I got this numbnuts over here today. Michael's in the shop getting ready to pull the clutches out of a Harley. And that's what he'll be working on today. And I got a bunch of welding and stuff to do, so we're just hanging out, having a blast. 4th of July weekend. I know we're not gonna get nothing done because people keep stopping by the shop all day long. We just had a crew of people leave, and I'll give it 10 minutes and somebody will be beating on the door. So what's that?
I don't know about you, I'm at least gonna get this done.
Yeah,
this
well,
is my means of transportation.
yeah,
right now.
this is the only way he's got to get home. So yeah, but he's got a new set of clutches and stuff for it, so he's gonna change those, and then I'll just kind of guide him through it if he needs help or whatever. But he knows what he's doing. So, but anyways, I'm gonna get back to welding. We'll probably film some more in a bit. We'll see what happens. All right, so today's video, I'm doing this for David Rex. And he left a comment on the YouTube channel. He was asking about the shrinker stretcher mounted to the English wheel and the mechanism that I used to do that and all that. But first I'll show you how I mounted the bead roller. And it's got the 2 holes that come with the bead roller. And all I did there was I mounted a piece of angle iron on the English wheel, welded it on here, drilled 2 holes and mounted that bead roller like that. And it works really well. And it's a sweet setup because, you know, you can see that it only goes right here. Well, the edge of it's about a 1/2 inch out from the edge of the English wheel. So you can run a big panel through here. And the cool part is that the big panel goes right over the top of these arms that I made for the shrinker stretcher. And, you know, it goes right past them so you don't hit it. And then everything's all in one. You have the English wheel, the shrinker stretcher, and the bead roller all in one. And then on the shrinker and stretcher, all I did is I made some mounts right here. I cut down some square tubing and I mounted it to the English wheel here, and then bolted the shrinker stretcher through the bottom right here. And then they come with an arm that comes up right here, and I just whacked it off with a grinder and literally just took a piece of scrap stock with a hole in it, ran a bolt through there, and I put a lock nut on it. And you want to do that because it doesn't tighten up against the square tubing, and you can make this all crap. Hey, be quiet over there. But I put a lock nut so that it doesn't tighten up to this right here, and it makes it where it's, you know, nice and easy. And then on the other side, same thing. Put one here, and it, you know, the arm is there, and it drops down, and it goes to the pedal here. And these pedals were just something that we had laying around, a bunch of scraps, just these old like door hinges, and it works amazing. And then these are garage door springs, or screen door screens, I'm sorry. And they're just connected to that, and you don't need much. All it needs to do is pull that pedal back up. And then this is just round rod here with a bolt welded to it that comes through with a lock nut, same thing. So it has some give. You can see it can move back and forth. It's real like prehistoric, I guess you'd call it, or whatever. Just something cobbled together. And you know, it's been like this for like 3-4 years now, and we've used the hell out of it. So it works great. And you know, the arm comes up and then it goes down to the pedal. But the biggest thing is, if you're gonna do do this modification, make sure you don't put these too high so that they're not above the wheels on the English wheel. So when you're running a panel through here, it's not hitting. And then the other thing is, you want to offset these. If you look at this from the top, you want to offset this one this way, and they want to be, you know, at least put about, you know, 4 to 5 inches right in here. And that gives you plenty of room to, you know, do your work or whatever. But it works out great. And you can see it, you know, if you're running it with your foot like this, super easy. But anyways, I did this video for David Rex. He was asking some questions, and hopefully that helps out, bro. You know, if you guys want a modular English wheel, whatever, it's a quick, easy hack. Anyways, thanks for watching.
One take.
So what are you doing now?
Putting the new friction plates in.
So he's got the, he he had his best Pyrex dish in his kitchen. So, you know, of course, soak them in oil
Hey, it worked.
in the Pyrex.
I don't care.
You're not gonna use that in your kitchen again, are you?
Probably not.
So I get to get stuck with that in the shop.
Well, you know, never know.
You know what'll happen is Hyde will see that, think it's hers, then I'll get screamed at.
Yeah, I know.
And you'll laugh.
Very much so.
Awesome.
Be funny for me.
So the new disc, or the old disc, you were saying they're not burned up, but they're kind of,
Yeah,
they're pretty much hammered.
Now that I looked at them more.
High performance clutch will help a little bit better now. And these are ceramic, or which one are these?
Carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, yeah, these are way better than the stock ones. And then I put the bolts away for the steering so I wouldn't lose them. And like a dumbass, I should have screwed them into here, and I didn't, and now I'm looking for the bolts. Wasting time. And I'm gonna get this bolted on the front of here, bolt these through there into the steering box so that I could figure out the front of this these frame horns, see what I'm gonna do with those. Michael, help me flip this frame over real quick so we can work on that. I don't know. Not really sure what to do there yet, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, it's all I love it how it looks all original, but it's got a nice big fatty motor in it, you know? See, I thought he had that other motor in it, so I didn't know if it was still stock or original, you know? I love it. God. Oh, that's hilarious.